I know it's been a hot minute since I made a video in general because, you know, life, things happening, and apparently, like any social media thing, it doesn't exist unless you film it, right? So Sean Pony from Hawaiian Traveler challenged me to try this natto because he doesn't believe that anybody likes natto unless he actually sees a YouTube video. So this is for him. Natto is amazing. It's good for your belly. It just tastes good once you get past the sliminess. I like the sliminess, but not everybody does. So here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to another Destination Sweet Eats. I'm gonna do a video on one of my favorite foods, which is natto. Now, typically when you get natto, you see it in containers like this in the grocery store. That's where you normally get it. And not many people serve it on the daily because it's just not a food that a lot of people like because it's so stringy. Usually natto has a very fermented smell and it comes with mustard and some kind of a dashi sauce or soup sauce. So to kind of mask that smell, have you guys eaten natto before? Typically you eat it over rice or with egg or whatever. I can just eat it by itself. I like the way it tastes. Now most people get turned off by the sliminess of it. Beginning natto eaters, what you gotta do is just eat it with rice. A lot of rice and nori just to get kind of used to it. That's what a lot of people do. And then eventually you can just, yeah, I guess. But today we're gonna go to a few spots that actually serve natto on their menu on the daily. Because I love natto and I want you to experience too. Don't get scared about buying it directly like this and not knowing how to eat it. I'm gonna take you to these places, so let's go. Our first stop today is Nijiya Japanese Supermarket in Moana Center. They have a huge display area for grab and go foods in the front of the store, and on the side of the store they have a huge freezer section. In the freezer section is where you'll find natto. It even has its own sign. Although there are so many different ones to choose from, we're not here to eat this kind of natto. We're gonna head back to the front grab and go area and look for their honkin' natto hand roll. Look how big this hand roll is, and it has lots of natto inside. All right, we're sitting here at Nijiya Market in their like nice little seating area. Whatever you buy to eat, you can eat it here. I'm just here with my buddy Shohei. I'm gonna eat my natto hand roll. I'm pretty sure he likes them too. Look how much natto there is in here, guys. It's so thick. I can smell it. This is very fermented smelling. It's kind of like the one that they put Waikiki Sushi's natto nigiris because it has a little chop bits inside and it's pretty slimy. Wow, this is good. The natto, that much is going through the entire center of the hand roll. So if you love natto, this is a really good hand roll. Excuse me. Don't mind the strings. For the people who are new to eating natto, you can put shoyu on it to kind of mask that flavor, but we'll put a little on just, whoa, for the honey. And I made a mess. With or without the shoyu, I love it. It's so good. All right, we're gonna finish this one up and we're gonna go on to the next place. So good. So we are here at Pastology in Macaulay area because they have a natto pasta here that I wanted to try because they make all their pastas here fresh and it's such a really cute little restaurant here. They have a bakery as well with tons of different stuff that I want to try too in this video. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll just stick to natto, but there's a natto pasta here and I want to show you what it's all about. All right, here it is. This is the natto carbonara, and I'm guessing it's like a shoyu base, butter base with the natto. There's broccoli, there's bonito, there's even an egg and bacon. Bacon makes everything better, but you know, to me, natto makes everything better. So we'll give this one a try. It looks so pretty right now, but I'm gonna mess this up and mix it all up because that's the best way to eat natto with pasta. It looks like a little poop. But it doesn't taste like poop.
It'll make you poop.
Yeah, it probably will. Look how slimy and yummy it is. It's so yummy. It's just plain. There's no like shoyu or anything inside, but it does have a slight saltiness to it. But we're gonna mix all this up. That's the best way to eat it, when it's all mushed together. This is kind of hard because you don't get everything all in one bite, so this up and make it very ugly. Itadakimasu. That is so good with the shoyu butter sauce, and then the noodles is nice and chewy. It's not too well done, and the mixing of the natto with egg. If you love natto, you gotta come eat this place here. It doesn't taste too natto-y. I taste more of the egg and the shoyu inside. So if you don't like the flavor of natto, this might be a good stepping stone for you. But yeah, love it. Okay, so he's gonna be trying the natto pasta himself. And what do you think?
I can taste the natto.
You can still taste the natto? I don't taste it. I taste more of the bacon.
That slime stuff going on.
But you know what? You'll learn to like it. Because after this video, all the places we're gonna go that has natto, you're gonna learn to love it, just like me. On to the next natto spot. We are here at Maguro spot because they have a natto Maguro bowl here that I wanted to try. This place is not a hidden spot. It's on the corner of Ulunui Avenue and Kuhio, right a couple blocks down from the beach. So if you're sitting there tanning yourself at the beach, take a break, walk down Ulunui Avenue. There's tons of little eateries along the way, but don't get distracted. Come all the way to Kuhio to Maguro spot. All right, guys, here is the natto bowl. And I'm gonna say, at first glance, I'm a little disappointed because there's not much natto in here. There is natto. I see it in the bowl. There's mostly fish. So when you come here, you're buying mostly the fish. And for beginning natto eaters, that might be the best because you don't want to have that full-blown natto flavor mixed in with all the fish. So good, so we're gonna give it a try. Itadakimasu. Okay, first off, the fish here is really fresh and good. The flavoring on the fish is also very good. Pretty good poke here. For the natto flavor, I don't taste it at all. There is no natto flavor. There is a sliminess to it that, you know, that's the natto. But as far as the flavor goes, I mean, that's about as much natto as you're gonna get. So I'm a little disappointed, but also still a really good poke bowl. I'm pretty sure that whatever you order here, it'll be delicious because the fish, just off the bat, this fish is really good. And if you want, you can add the natto as a topping to any of the bowls here. So if you just want to give it a try and have it on the side, go ahead and do this. So next time, maybe we'll try a different bowl and get the natto on the side.
I can actually taste natto.
Really? You can taste it? I don't taste it at all. But it's good though, right? On to the next place. All right, guys, we're here at our next stop on our natto adventure. The adventure you never asked for, but I'm giving it to you. Gyotaku is kind of an old-style Japanese restaurant where all the blue hairs go to nowadays. They are a little pricey, but they have a special dish here that has natto in it, so let's go. I've eaten here a lot over the years. I love coming here, especially with my family, but today, we're only here for one thing. This appetizer is called natto chos. It comes with crispy chips, poke, natto, araimo, which is a Japanese mountain potato which can be a bit slimy. It also has sprouts, nori, and avocado on top. Very flavorful and one of my favorite appetizers here. I like all the toppings on here. It is a good mix of the poke with the avocado and then the veggies on top. I highly recommend getting nattos. And for all you guys not sure about natto yet, just give it a chance. The longer you eat it, the more you get used to it, just like anything else. I love it. And just because of the name, we decided to get the Godzilla roll. We like the Godzilla roll because it has a little bit of everything. It has spicy tuna, avocado, shrimp, bonito flakes on top, and the unagi sauce. That's the only way to eat it. All in one bite. And yes, we did eat it all. Nothing was left behind. As you know, natto's not a very popular item people tend to ask for, so it's really hard to find places that serve it daily. So Gyotaku is a place that you can go and try it, and it's a very good introduction to it because that dish is very flavorful, lots of sauce on it, so you don't really taste the natto, at least for me anyway. Maybe so more sensitive would. And then the poke is very salty and flavorful, so it just kind of like mixes it all together perfectly. Now we're gonna go to one more spot that has natto, so Let's go. Yep, you guessed it, and that's the grocery store. And my favorite Japanese grocery store on island is Marukai. There are so many different types of natto here, like flavors or from regions, but they're pretty much all the same except if there's like shiso or ume inside. Just gotta find the one you like. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the natto I normally buy for when I eat at home. It's this one here. And the reason why is because it comes in a bag. And we're back to my plate. The way I normally eat natto every day is in a package, because my son and my husband who do the dishes in the house complain that it leaves like a sticky film on all the bowls and stuff. So this is how I eat it. I buy it frozen in the package and I just open a tiny little hole just like that and I eat it just like that. I'm not kidding, guys. This is how I actually eat it. Just because it's quick, I like the taste, and I feel like it gives me some probiotics and vitamins in my body that I'm probably missing in my daily food. So every time I'm feeling a little bit down, I just grab a pouch of natto and eat it like that, which is why I buy the bag. But anyway, I hope you go out there and try some natto dishes. Just keep trying. It's actually really good for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. My favorite.